Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we're going to take a look at how to use Squirrly SEO for non-WordPress websites. Squirrly SEO is a software as a service, and most of the things that you have inside Squirrly SEO actually come and run from our cloud services that we've invested a lot of our company's money into building. So we've built tons of services that are all in our cloud and that are proprietary technology owned by the Squirrly company. Now, the cool part is that there's a lot that you can do with Squirrly SEO. And of course, a lot of people know it and it's very renowned because of its WordPress SEO plugin. But Squirrly is a lot more than just a plugin. As you can see in our comparison table, where we compare Squirrly SEO to Yoast, RankMath, SEOpress, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. Whether you are using Wix, Shopify, or any other CMS, I'm here to show you how Squirrly's innovative AI's powered tools can help you achieve remarkable SEO results, no matter of the platform. Squirrly's mission is to make SEO simple for everyone. Empower every website owner, regardless of their platform, to achieve top Google rankings. Pioneering AI-driven solutions that adapt to evolving digital needs, and breaking barriers by extending powerful SEO tools beyond WordPress. Meet Squirrly Cloud app, your SEO partner for non-WordPress sites. Whether you're on Wix, Shopify, or SquareSpace, Squirrly has got you covered. The Cloud app offers essential SEO features like keyword research, real-time content optimization, and comprehensive audits, all while integrating effortlessly with Google Analytics and Search Console. It's important to understand the differences between Squirrly SEO for WordPress and Squirrly SEO Cloud app. While the WordPress plugin combined with the cloud offers a full suite of features, the Cloud app focuses on the core essentials. While certain features like focus pages and metadata optimization are exclusive to WordPress plugin, the Cloud app still provides you with everything you need to perform crucial SEO tasks effectively. You'll have access to powerful features at your fingertips. You will have access to keyword research, discover high potential keywords, to Briefcase, manage and optimize your keyword strategies, to SEO Live Assistant, optimize content in real time, to SEO Audit, evaluate and enhance your site's SEO health, and of course to SERP Checker, monitor your rankings with precision. AI is at the heart of Squirrly's innovation. You will have access to AI-driven algorithms for smarter keyword suggestions, to real-time content analysis for immediate feedback, and to predictive analytics to anticipate SEO trends and adapt strategies. It not only makes SEO more efficient, but also more effective, helping you stay ahead of the competition with smarter data-driven decisions. While the Cloud app is incredibly powerful, it's important to acknowledge what's missing, particularly the focus pages, which are exclusive to WordPress plugin. However, the value provided by the available features remains unmatched for non-WordPress users. So let's see how we can log in our Cloud app. For this, we will have to access our customer app. So let's log in the app. Then by clicking over here to Squirrly SEO. And over here, we have the access link for the cloud. Let's log in. And now we are inside the Squirrly Cloud app. The Cloud app was primarily built to help site owners who are not on WordPress take advantage of the innovations and features from Squirrly SEO in order to create and implement winning SEO strategies and achieve better Google rankings. So if we are taking a look at the dashboard, we can see that we can add our website URL over here. If we will have a WordPress site, we can download the plugin. And by taking a look at the menu, we can see the websites over here. We can see that we can find the best keywords that our site can rank for by doing a keyword research. We can see that we can build a keyword portfolio that would enable you to implement effective SEO strategies by using the Briefcase. We can see that we can create 100% optimized articles and products by using the Live Assistant. We can see that we can audit the website by using the SEO audit. And we can see that we can monitor our rankings by using the Google rankings. So let's add our website URL over here. I'm going to add a Shopify website. 1Geek is a brand of Squirrly company. So let's click on Add Website. And now we can see our connected websites over here. If we want to add more websites, we can click in the menu over here to Websites. And then we can add a new website over here. If you want to change the website URL, in case you change the website URL from WordPress but still want to maintain the connection with the Squirrly Cloud for that site, you can edit the website URL for your account by clicking over here. The website URL you set here should match the one you changed from WordPress exactly. This way, Squirrly won't create a duplicate of the same site in Cloud, as it will know you've not added a new website, but merely updated the URL of an existing one. And you will not lose any of the information stored in Squirrly Cloud for the website whose URL you've changed. If you want to temporarily disconnect a website from Squirrly Cloud, you can do so by clicking over here to disconnect. You will also get a warning if you're sure you want to disconnect this block from your account. You can always reconnect a disconnected site. Disconnecting a site won't delete it from Squirrly Cloud. All information will continue to be stored in case you want to restore the connection. If you want to completely delete a site, click on the X symbol over here. Note that deleting a site will lead to all information related to optimizations you've made, keyword researches, and more to be deleted for that site as well. We don't recommend deleting a site unless you're 100% sure you will no longer need that website. So let's go back to dashboard and let's create a keyword research. Over here, you can enter a keyword that matches your business. You can select the country you want the keyword to rank for, and of course a language. Then you can start the keyword research. You can also see some tips and tricks over here. Over here, you have access to free learning materials, as well as a way to get to the knowledge base. So let's start a keyword research. So let's click on Next. Over here, we can see similar keywords. Each keyword that you choose from over here will consume one keyword research from your quota. And over here, you can see that you can do a research for up to 20 results or a deep research for up to 50 results. And here we can see the results. We can see the keywords over here, the country over here, the competition over here, the search volume over here, and the discussions over here. For each keyword, we have the following options. We can optimize for this keyword, we can add it to Briefcase, and we can assign a label. So let's add some of those keywords to Briefcase, like this one. I'm going to also add this one, and those as well. Okay, by going over here to Briefcase, over here, in how many posts the keyword has been used, if it has been sent to rankings, on what rank it is right now, the search volume data over here. We can see the keyword information by clicking on the button over here. We can optimize for the keyword, we can send it to rank checker, we can refresh the research, we can assign a label, or we can delete the keyword. We also have the option to select multiple keywords and use bulk actions like send to rankings, assign label, or delete. And we can also use the search bar over here to find the keyword more easily. We once again have access to some tips and tricks, and of course to free learning materials. So let's select all of those and click on Assign Label and Apply. Because we do not have a label for this particular website, we have to create a new one by clicking over here to add new label. This is going to take us to the label section over here. So let's click on Add New Label, create the label name, you can select a different color if you want to, and Add Label. By going back to Briefcase and reselecting all the keywords we want to add label to and assign label, now we have the label over here. So let's save the label. Let's go back into the labels features. We can see the name of the label, the color, how many times it has been used. We can edit the label and delete the label. If we have more labels, we can select multiples and delete them by using the bulk actions. And of course, we can search for the label by using the search bar over here and add new labels by clicking over here. In the suggested keywords features, we are going to see trending keywords suitable for our website's future topics. Squirrly checks for new keywords weekly based on your latest researches. We can see over here that the Keyword Research Assistant performs keyword researches on your behalf without using any keyword research credits from your total of available keyword research credits. And once again, you have access to free learning materials as well as a way to get the knowledge base. If we are going to history, we are going to see the keyword researches that we have made for this particular website in the last 30 days. And by clicking over here to show all keywords, we can see the results for that particular keyword research. And by clicking on Backup and Restore, we can back up our keywords and we can restore our keywords. So let's go back to home. The next feature will be Live Assistant. You can use Squirrly Live Assistant to optimize your content for posts, pages, products, custom posts, and so much more. All you need to do is build out the text with SEO Live Assistant to make sure it's perfectly SEO'd, meaning it's search relevant. And then you copy it bit by bit into the page. Once content is optimized, it will remain optimized, even if you copy it from Squirrly Cloud to your website. You will not lose the optimization. So if you want to create an article, you can click over here to add a new article. And if you want to create a product, you can click over here to products and then add a new product. Let's stay on article. Let's click on add new article. And over here, we have to add the title of the article and the content. We can see our keywords from Briefcase over here. Let's choose one. And by clicking to continue, we have access to the blogging assistant, where we have access to copyright-free images, to Wikipedia articles, topic-related articles written by fellow bloggers or influencers, and to see if you have articles written for this subject. By selecting an image and clicking on Edit, we can see that the alt text is already completed with our keyword. So by clicking on Analysis, we have access to Squirrly Live Assistant, where we can see what we have to do in order to make the article 100% optimized. And as you can see, the Live Assistant will start analyzing your content in real time and provide suggestions of things you need to do in order to make it 100% optimized for SEO. You can then start implementing those suggestions on your text right there and then. Everything inside the SEO Assistant must be turned green to achieve 100% on-page SEO optimization. Once you've done that, you are ready to copy the text you've optimized using the cloud version of the SEO Live Assistant back into your website. So we have to add the keyword in our URL. We have to add the keyword one more time, and we have to write more words after the first keyword. You can find the first keyword more easily by staying with your mouse over here, and then you can see it in the text. And once the article is 100% optimized, you can see that right here. Now, all you have to do is copy the text you've optimized using the cloud version of the SEO Live Assistant back into your site. And remember, once content is optimized, it will remain optimized. Even if you copy it from the Squirrly Cloud to your site, you will not lose the optimization. Let's save the article. And let's get back to home. And over here, we can click on SEO Audit. We have to add the pages we want to audit for this site over here. By clicking on the button, we have to add the URL over here. Let's click on Add URL to Audit. By going back to Overview, we can see that the audit is in progress, and we can see the audited pages over here. For each page, we have the option to request new audit, inspect URL, or stop monitoring. And if we want to add more pages, we go back over here to add a new page, and we would add the URLs over here. For the settings, we have the option to add an email address on which you want to receive the weekly audits. While we wait for the audit, let's go back to home and go to Google Rankings. Here we have to add the keywords we want to track the rankings for. So let's click on Add Keywords in Briefcase. And from over here, let's click on Send to Rank Checker. Then we are going to be able to see information about those keywords over here. We are going to be able to see on what rank they are right now, their best rank over here, some details over here like impressions, clicks, social shares, and so on. We can also check ranking again and remove the keyword. By clicking over here on Add Keywords, we can do a keyword research in order to add a keyword from over there, or go over here to Briefcase in order to add a keyword from over here. By clicking on Sync Keywords, in this section, you will be able to see a list of up to 50 keywords you have in Google Search Console, keywords for which your site already ranks for. But in order to see this information, you will have to connect your site to Google Search Console. You also need to do this connection in order to get information about clicks, impressions, and click-through rate for your keywords. Here to Settings, we can see some ranking settings, like select the country for which Squirrly will check the Google rank, select the language for which Squirrly will check the Google rank, and select the device for which Squirrly will check the Google rank. By going back to Home and by going over here to Settings, we can connect Google Analytics as well as Google Search Console. As I mentioned before, you have to connect the Google Search Console in order to get information about clicks, impressions, and click-through rate, as well as in order to be able to see the keywords that your site already ranks for in Google Search Console. And you can also connect the Google Analytics. From Settings, you also have access to Backup and Restore in order to back up your keywords and restore them. So let's see if the audit is ready. We can see that the audit is ready over here. We have the audit score over here, how many pages has been audited, and over here we can click on Show Latest Audit. So over here, you have once again the audit score over here. You can request a new audit over here, or you can go to the previous panel by clicking over here. You can see the audited pages over here. You can show only the completed task or only the incompleted task. Squirrly's audit monitors all essential aspects of your content marketing strategies, like blogging, traffic, social media, SEO, links, and authority. By looking at this data, as a site owner, you'll always know how things stand, whether your efforts are paying off, and which areas needs more work. So let's go back to home The last thing I want to show you is the account information by clicking over here to account information. In case you have a paid subscription, in this account information section, you can see all details related to your account subscription, what's included in your plan and what's still left for your current month, the date on which your subscription will expire, the email address you use to connect to Squirrly. So as a recap, you can use the Squirrly Cloud app in order to find the best keywords your site can rank for, to build a keyword portfolio that will enable you to implement effective SEO strategies, to create 100 optimized articles and products, to audit your site, to monitor your rankings, and more. It does not require you to use WordPress as your content management system. So even if you don't have a WordPress site, you'll be able to use some of the Squirrly's top features to supercharge your rankings. So thank you for tuning in. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.